Software systems have a problem. We have been seeing software increase its scale every year, taking on new real-world challenges. With it comes the cost of complexity. As the scale and depth of the domain grows, the complexity of errors grows with it. Fixing errors and bugs within software has gotten drastically more complicated. Parallelly, the resolution speed has become more important than ever before. It is the difference between certain success and failure of a company. Here at Cloud AI, we provide AI-powered detailed solutions to those pesky bugs and exceptions occurring in your application. Introducing Cloud AI Insights. Get an overview of logs that occurred in the selected time period. The overview categorizes the logs by severity. You can filter out applications using a number of criteria, like host IPs, indexes, origin services, and many more. The table provides an overview of all the exceptions that have occurred within your connected services and apps over the selected time period. Each row gives a quick overview of the exception, such as when the exception last occurred, the incidence trends, frequency, and which service did it occur in. Click the View button to view detailed information about the exception. The Detail view gives a summary and a suggested fix for the exception. We also provide you with more links that further explore this issue in other contexts. You can also quickly set up an alert for the exception you are currently viewing. Just type in some basic details, such as the name of the alert, alert frequency, a message to go along with the alert, and the severity of the alert. You can choose from your configured channels and also assign specific team members who would be responsible for handling the exception. With Log Insights, your developer is charged with speed. Get alerted and fix your problems in a matter of minutes, not hours. Get started for free on console.cloudai.com.